Hi designers! Today I will show you how to create a minimalist, cinematic horror movie vibe poster design. So let's get started.
The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. Then go to the rectangle tool and create a rectangle with the same size of the artboard. After that, apply on it the radial gradient. Then follow my gradient setting here.
Then go with the line segment tool and draw a vertical line, make it on the middle, change it color to the white, and lock it.
After that, move on to the text tool and write your text. Try to give it a style or vibe inspired by horror movies. In my case, I choose Horror Night. Then choose one of the sans serif font in bold style. I choose Acumen Variable Concept Wide Bold style. Then right-click and create outlines. Place your text in the middle, so follow me here.
When you place your text, change the color of the word night to dark red to give it a touch of horror and suspense.
Then go to the Free Transform tool, choose the Perspective Distort tool, and apply it on the text the way I did. Follow my steps. After that, select the text and go to the Rotate tool and place the anchor point here the way I did. Double-click the pop-up window will appear. Choose the 360 degrees and move the copy text. Then Ctrl-D to multiply the copies. Follow my steps.
Go to the File menu, Place, choose your file. I will let the link in the description. Then paste it in the middle. Follow me here.
Make a copy and go to the Window menu. Image Trace, follow my settings. Then right-click, Transform, Reflect Horizontal. Place it under the object to make the shadow. Follow my steps.
Make a copy and go to the window menu. Image trace, follow my settings. Then right-click, transform, reflect horizontal. Place it under the object to make the shadow. Follow my steps. Here, in the red color, night, apply the gradient with these settings. Follow me. You can apply the image trace to the main object too with these settings. When you finish, go to the rectangle tool and draw the rectangle on the same size of the artboard. Select all, right-click, make clipping mask, and that's it.
And in the end, I hope this tutorial video is helpful. If you have any question, don't forget to let a comment or email me. Thanks for watching.